Dear children, good morning and welcome to the English class. In the previous class, we were discussing about the man and media. We learned how the media evolved and developed over these years, and we have discussed the mode of communication such as radio and television. Today, let us learn about the other means of communication, that is newspaper and computer. By mass media, we mean the ways in which information can be passed on to a large number of people very quickly. In this aspect, the newspaper has a significant role in providing information to a large number of people. We know that newspapers are the main source of communication and most people depends on it. This piece of article conveys the main idea of the importance of newspaper in our daily life all around the world. Do you know which is the first newspaper in India? It was the Bengal Gazette, which was published on 28th January 1780, which was also known as Calcutta General Advertiser. Okay, now let's read the lesson. Let's read the newspaper. The world moves very fast and events happen very quickly in every sphere of life. People keep in close touch with the latest developments by reading newspapers. The newspaper is the pioneer in the field of mass media. The first newspaper was published in Britain in 1702. It became popular only in the 1890s. Nowadays, the newspaper has become almost as necessary as food and clothing. So, as we live in the first moving world, we can witness each and everything happens within the blink of our eyes. We get events and developments happens around us by reading newspaper. It is the first venture in the field of publishing news and communication. The first newspaper was published in Britain in 1702, but it became popular in 1890s. It says, nowadays, newspaper has become almost as necessary as food and clothing. If we couldn't get read newspaper in the morning, we feel something lost. So we can say that it became a part of our life. Now I would like to ask you some questions. Do you have the habit of reading the newspaper regularly? Second one, once the newspaper reaches in your hand, what kind of news items do you read first? Okay, dear children, let us do one activity in this week. Tomorrow onwards, we should complete the chart. It is for 1 week program. So first one, what you should do? You have to write the name. Who will be the first one in your home to get the newspaper? Second one, at what time did you get the newspaper? Or every day at what time the newspaper reach in your hand? Third one, write down the headlines. At least 6 headlines you should write. Then fourth one, find out any 3 advertisements which we can see in the newspaper. Here there is an example for the advertisement. You please take the newspaper, find out at least 3 advertisements and write it. Okay? Okay, dear children, do the work. Saturday I will call the numbers. By that time you can send it to me. Okay, dear children, we will deal the next part in the next class. Thank you. Bye.